Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you the TWIN BUSCH truck wheel balancer F-50T. The F-50T has a tilted digital display for optimal readability. The machine has different selectable programs such as dynamic static, as well as 4 RLU programs. There are 13 storage compartments on the machine. The F-50T has a brake pedal for locking the shaft in place while attaching weights or clamping the wheel. The pneumatic lift helps to clamp heavy wheels easily and is controlled via joystick. Mount the special clamping adapter for truck wheels. Select a suitable cone for your wheel. Measure the distance from the rim to the machine. Enter the rim's distance as value A. The rim's width can be measured with the width gauge, but this value is usually printed on the wheel. In our case, the width is 9 inches. The rim's width is then entered into the machine as value B. The rim's diameter can be read directly from the wheel. Finally, enter the rim's diameter as value D. Close the protective cover and press start to determine the required balancing weights. The required balancing weights are shown on the display. Turn the wheel lightly until all the lamps light on for the correct position. The weights are hammered onto the rim at the 12 o'clock position. Repeat the process on the inner side of the wheel. The balancing was successful. The exact remaining imbalance is shown with the fine button. A perfect result. Use a suitable cone for your wheel. Switch to the car setting by pressing Z. Measure the rim's distance. Select the suitable alu program for your wheel with the F button, if necessary, and enter the rim's distance as value A. Enter the rim's distance and diameter as values B and D respectively. The required balancing weights will be determined by pressing start. The required balancing weights are then shown on the display. The machine leads you to the calculated positions on the rim. Tape the required weights at the 12 o'clock position. Repeat this process on the outer side of the wheel. The balancing was successful. The delivery includes 5 centering cones, 2 clamping adapters for truck wheels, a weight plier, 6 clamp weights and a calibration weight, the quick release nut, and a width gauge.